Okay, we've got a 2014 Pathfinder, but this goes for anything that has a push button start. Get in it. Incorrect key. Or blinking security light. Or key light, sorry. And sure, know it's the right key. Sometimes it says no key fob detected. Sometimes you either message. Well, possibly key fob is going bad. Battery in the key fob is bad, which that'd be the cheapest and first thing you should try. But if you're somewhere, don't panic. You take the key, back of it, push the brake, push it to it, and look at that, starts up. All vehicles with push button do that safety feature, so you don't get left stranded with a bad remote battery.